Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuses to check in case your ABS anti-lock brakes are not working or if there is ABS light on the instrument cluster. This video will apply to Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. All of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side right here. Now to lift the cover, you have a black tab, you want to press it and lift up. And on the back side of the cover, you also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse to check, it's a fuse number 8, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to ABS pump. And the next one will be fuse number 10, which is a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to ABS valve. And the last fuse worth checking, it's a fuse number 24, which is a 10 amp red fuse located in the middle of the fuse box, responsible for power to brake power on or off. In case all of these fuses prove to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you want to scan the vehicle for any codes and follow up on those, but most likely you're dealing with a failed ABS or wheel speed sensor or corroded wiring towards one of the sensors. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.